Actor producer Anushka Sharma is looking prettier by the day as she approaches the last leg of her pregnancy. The actor, who had an interview and maternity photo shoot recently with the leading fashion magazine, spoke about how she plans to approach parenting with husband Virat Kohli.
Anushka Sharma has always played by her own rules, whether it was turning producer at 25, taking a sabbatical from acting at the peak of her career, producing content for OTT platforms, or having a baby before any of her industry peers. Anushka has always followed her own heart. Even as she and Virat prepare to welcome their firstborn child into the world, Anushka is clear about what values she wants to give her firstborn and how she will juggle her work and her new role as a mother. Take a look.
Speaking about how her journey as a mom-to-be has been, Anushka shared that the pandemic and lockdown came as a blessing of sorts to her and Virat, क्योंकि वो इस बात को ज़्यादा दिनों तक पब्लिक से छुपा पाए. The two would step out only to meet her doctor, and even then, avoiding press photographers was easy thanks to the lockdown that kept everyone off the streets. Anushka, who spent the initial months of the lockdown promoting the two web series she produced with her brother via online calls, talks about how she was battling morning sickness at that time. Thanks to promotions being online, she could take a break when she felt ill and continue with her interviews. लेकिन अगर सब कुछ नॉर्मल होता तो शायद मूवी सेट्स पे वो अपनी प्रेगनेंसी को नहीं छुपा पाती. After spending a few months in Dubai with husband Virat Kohli, Anushka returned to Mumbai and wrapped up her pending ad shoots and work assignments before getting down to designing the baby's nursery and getting herself and the home ready for the baby's arrival. Anushka and Virat have decided to make the baby's room gender neutral क्योंकि उन्हें नहीं लगता कि लड़कों के लिए ब्लू और लड़कियों के लिए पिंक के ट्रेडिशंस अब कंटिन्यू होने चाहिए. उन्होंने अपने होने वाले बच्चे के कमरे में हर रंग भर दिया है and have chosen animals as a theme given how passionately they both feel about animal welfare. Anushka said, "The nursery is themed around animals. Both Virat and I love animals and we want our baby to have that bond too. They are a big part of our lives and we really believe they can teach kindness and compassion to children." Anushka and Virat both come from very balanced family backgrounds, and according to the actor, their goal will be to raise a child who is not a brat, but someone who is loving and respectful and has the same value systems as his or her parents. Conditioning is the most important role in how we see the world. I come from a progressive background, so that will always be a part of our home. Love is the underlying factor in our home, and what's important to us is that our child be respectful of people. Here's wishing Virat and Anushka the very best of luck, and we can't wait to hear the good news about baby Sharma Kohli, who will fill their world with joy.